Okay, remember that the steps that we're going to be working through here is to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, repeat. So the first thing I need to do is set up my problem. I have 84 divided by 3. Now, 3 goes into the first number, 8. How many times? We're going to start with 2. So I did my division. Now I need to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. Now I'm going to subtract. 8 minus 4 is 2. Bring down and repeat. Whoopsies, that shouldn't be black. Undo. We'll go through with a different color check mark. All right. Now I'm going to check to see if 3 will go into that last number, 24. 3 goes into 24 how many times? Well, let's try 8. 3 times 8 is 24. We did the division, we did the multiplication. Now I need to subtract. Is there anything to bring down? Nope. So my final answer is 84 divided by 3 equals 28. All right, let's try the second problem. Remember, you're using this video in case you get stuck. So you shouldn't just watch the video and copy the answers. That wouldn't be learning. So make sure you try number 2 first. When you get stuck and you have no idea what to do, then check into the video. All right. 70 divided by 6. Remember, the first number goes inside the bracket. And I'm going to check to see if 6 will go into the first number. I'm going to ignore that 0. So I'm going to divide 6 into 7 one time. And I'm going to multiply. 1 times 6 is 6. Then I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Now I need to bring down and repeat. How many times does 6 go into 10? Probably only one time. Now I need to multiply. 6 times 1 is 6. Subtract. Bring down, nothing. So I am finished. Final answer, 11, remainder 4. Okay, give number 3 a try before you ask for help. Remember, we've only got 2 more problems here where I will help you. The last 4 problems are totally on your own. I will give you the answers, but you need to do the work on your own. 72 divided by 4. Remember, we're going to ignore the 2, and we're going to see how many 4s go into 7. We're going to start with 1. I did my division. Now I need to multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down the 2. Repeat. 4 goes into 32. 8 times. Multiply. 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract. Nothing to bring down. Final answer is 72 divided by 4 is 18. Are we getting the hang of this yet? One more problem to help you with. 86 divided by 5. How many times does 5 go into 8? One time. Whoops. 1 times 5 is 5. Did my division, did my multiplication, need to subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. Bring down the 6. Repeat, starting with the division. How many times does 5 go into 36? 7 times. Multiply. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract. Anything left to bring down? Nope. Final answer is 17. Remainder 1. All right, so hopefully you finished problems 5 through 8, and at this time you just want to check your answers. Remember, I'm looking to see the work that you did. That you got the right answer is important, but it's more important that you know the process to get the right answer. So we've got 94 divided by 7 is 13 remainder 3. We've got 99 divided by 8 is 12 remainder 2. We've got 96 divided by 2 is 48, no remainder, so don't write any remainder. And last but not least, we've got 43 divided by 3 is 14, remainder 1. Hope you got 4 out of 4 there, ladies and gentlemen. And we'll do some more work with that tomorrow.